What is good, everyone? How are y'all doing? So today we have this finger jade that I just got from the nursery. The leaves are nice and plump and there's a decent amount of new growth. Overall, the plant is pretty healthy. The only problem is that the root ball is not really intact, and that's just how it came from the nursery. So we're gonna go ahead and repot it in this nice orange terracotta. I'm not completely bare rooting it because I don't want to put too much stress on the plants. I'm simply just making it an adequate size for the pot. Once we have our root ball shaped, we can figure out how we want to set the plant in the pot, and then we can begin to fill in the soil. And eventually, when we're done, we'll have our finished product. So let me know what you guys think about it. I think it came out pretty good. It obviously needs a lot of time to grow. It's quite a young plant, but overall I think it came out pretty good. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you later.